Hello everyone, this is Vikas Pamar and I'm again here with another video. First of all, I would like to say that today is Raksha Bandhan, so happy Raksha Bandhan to all. And with that, as usual, I'll explain the TLS quote of the day as whatever I am interpreting from it. And today, the TLS quote of the day is that with the new day comes new strength and new thoughts. So, first of all, to start with, I have a question that have you ever wondered in your life that why there is a concept of night and day? Why there are not the things like only the day is going on or only the night is going on? Ever have you ever wondered this? I recently, you can say, I was thinking this thing that if there were no concept of night, that would be so great. We would work from day to night, we would have so much time to spend. But the main thing is that now I realize this thing that the concept of night is really important. Why? Because there is like if you are doing something, then you want the other side as well. Every time in our life, whatever we are doing, if the same thing keeps going and not changing, keeps going the same concept, then we get bored of it. Or otherwise, like if there were no night and only day, then maybe there are chances that people are working from day to, there will be no night, so only day to day and working, doing the things, having so much time, having lots of time, but spending where only working and all. And maybe there is not so much specific time that this is our rest time. So the concept of night and day, why it is there that after a day we get a break and then we start again. It is because with every day we get rejuvenated and we get the strength and we get the new thoughts, because our biology, our mind, our body, it is made like that, that when we get up from rest, we are doing something. After that, when we get up from rest, then we feels like that things are like really good right now, I can do more at this time. And the concept of night and day is there because it helps us to get rejuvenated and take the rest from our hustling life, that all kind of rush we are having for whole day, whole night. So the concept of day is there because of that. After that, moving on in the quote, and there is the thing like with every day, with every new day comes new strength, because there is a day. It means that our life is divided into so much small things, and there is a day and night. It is perfectly seen to everyone. That means we can start anything with a new day, because it feels like that it's a new starting. Everything is starting again after the night. So it is a really good chance, you can say, or really good blessing for us, that there is a concept of day and night. And if we are starting anything, we can start like, okay, the sun is rising right now, sun is starting again, I can also start again. So things are really much easy, really much fun with this concept. We can start again, we can. And the main thing is that it is not like only there is a concept of day and night, there are also the things you might also experience, that when we get up in the morning, when we get up another on new day, so we get new thoughts in our mind, as the quote says. And it is not like we are getting it, yeah, we are getting it by ourselves. It is not like we have done something, but with new day, whatever the sufferings, the so much stress and anxiety we were having last night, it doesn't matter. In morning the things get easier, the things get normal little bit, at least. Because whenever we get up early, we get new strength and we get new thoughts. So that means that we are getting new thoughts, we are having the strength, so we can start again. So things are really easy with the concept of day and night. This is the thing that quote says, that with the new day you get new strength and you get new thoughts. So never be afraid of starting again or starting anything new or doing anything, because with every day you can change. With every day you can say that today I will do this, because this is a like different part. This is day from night, from day till night. So this is a different part, I can do this today. So because of these things, every day is a new beginning. Every day, even every second, every hour, but every day it is only like from today to tomorrow, there is not so much time. So I can start anytime from today to tomorrow, and in the morning it feels like everything is starting again. So I can start from today. Every day is a new beginning, and we can start anything from that day. So this is the essence of the quote, I guess. And that's all for today's video. Thank you, everyone.